Delete browsing history on Edge browser. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily clear or delete all of your browsing history on your Edge browser. So first thing, just open up your Edge browser and just click on this three dot icon at the top right. Over here, all you have to do is just click on this option called delete browsing data. You can also use this shortcut key of combination control shift and delete on your keyboard, so you will be heading to this screen directly. And once you're inside here, you can also choose on from other files like passwords or cached images or files, download history as well. So if you only want to delete browsing history, just tap on browsing history only. So, and you can also choose a specific time range about like since when you want to delete your browsing data, whether it's about last hour or last 24 hours or last 7 days or 4 weeks or all time. If you want to delete completely from the beginning of your time, when since you have been using this browser, then just basically click on all time, and once you do that, it will calculate all of the items and files including inside here, and just click on clear now, and you'll have successfully cleared all of your browsing history and data, and you may have to re-log into particular sites. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.